Hi, today I'm going to show you how to put together the Christmas tree kiss holder, which is a free SVG from Simply Crafty SVGs. So first we want to put together these two trees, and this is just for stability. So if you're going to hang it on a tree, or you intend to put it on a present, because that's what the hole's for, we want to make it a little bit stronger. So I'm just gluing together two pieces of cardstock. And if you do enjoy this free project or any of the other projects we have out there, I would appreciate a subscribe to our channel and a like on this video. Thank you. So we're going to go ahead and add the star now. And then after this, we'll put together the holders for the kisses. So there's three different sizes. They're tiered. So it's somewhat hard to see, but we want to score or fold on the score lines, and you'll see sometimes you need to be gentle around the openings, but you can see how I'm folding it. You could have dash lines if you're using cut lines for your score lines. And then you just fold over. We're just going to fold it over. So fold over the part with the tab, and this will lay flat to make it easier. So fold it over and then match up the other side to the edge to the tab fold. And all three of these are done the same, so it's repetitive. I'm just going from the large one, and you can reach in there to apply pressure to the tabs, and then one side will open, so you can put open and close it to put the Hershey Kisses in. So we have these three tabs. Just put them, you just want to overlap them. Put glue on all three, and then just carefully fold over that flap. I had some glue on my fingers. So go ahead and just apply pressure, and you can actually reach into the opening and apply pressure against the tabs on the other side once you get it in place. And then there's the opening. The flap just closes, so you can get to it from the side. It's just a different way to give maybe a little extra fun thing. But you can see we're on the second one. It's similar. It just gets smaller and smaller. The hardest one will be that last one for the top. So here again, the same thing. We have a flap. We have that little tab. You just fold it over. You can put it flat on the table, and then fold over the adjacent, the other side, the other edge. And then you can see it's coming together, and we just need to glue that large flap to those three tabs. You could push them all down. You don't need to put glue underneath that bottom tab. I just was doing that myself, trying to get it more flat. And then I can reach in and apply more pressure against the tabs. So that's the second section. And the last one, just be really careful because it is fragile on the top. I mean, it's a real small fold, so you want to hold it while you're folding it. And the reason it's so small, if I made it bigger, if it moved kind of side to side, the kiss would disappear. So I was trying to keep it in view. So you can see this is what it looks like. It's the same exact thing, just everything's smaller. So you just have to be more careful with this last piece. Then fold it over and match up that edge to the tab fold there. Being careful not to tear that top part. And then again we fold in those three tabs. and then we'll glue that side. Like I said, that this one is smaller, so you have to be a little bit more careful with the smallest piece. And you don't need to put, again, don't have to put glue. I did another version. You can just do the glue on all three of them. You just fold them all three and just put glue on them. After I did the video, I did another one, and I wasn't as particular, and it went together fine. And then this has a little slot too. So we're leaving them open because we're going to use that to apply pressure when we insert it. But I'm going to close it so you can see how to center this. So I'm going to line it up with the bottom edge of that panel. But you're going to have a little bit on the left and right, because I wanted it to have a little tiered approach, and it just needed a little bit of support too. So, but when we glue it, we want to open it, add glue to that back part, and to make sure you don't get it on that tab, and make sure it's centered. It's kind of hard to see with the door open, and I didn't center it exactly, but, and then apply pressure, just sticking your finger inside to apply pressure against it, and then you'll see that it shuts. And it was a little bit more to the right. Now this one, I would add glue to the back, and if you're listening, hopefully if you're listening, I'm going to add notes too, but add glue to the top of the previous one as well. I forgot to do that, because you want to add glue to the bottom of that and the back, so it attaches to the previous level, because it was lifting a little bit. Sorry about me obstructing that view. And then you see apply pressure again. So I put most of the kisses in this next shot, and I'll show you, you just slide them in. So the first one's 1, and then 2, and then 3. And then it'll be easy to open for them to get their kisses. Unless they can't figure it out. If they can't figure it out, I guess I'll tear it open. Hopefully not, but. And then you can add a piece of twine or something to the end. It's not really, really heavy duty, but I just wanted something to be able to hang it, whether you want to put it on a gift or something like that. Well, I hope you're able to make use of this free SVG file for your cutting machine, and I thank you so much for watching.